Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Peel back the retention tape that secures the memory shield to the heatsink assembly. Disconnect the fan cable from the connector on the system board and release the retention tape. Remove the card reader board cable from the routing tab on the fan. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Note: the heatsink assembly has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink assembly over the processor in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease and thermal pads located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Remove the heatsink assembly from the system board. Reverse this procedure to install the heatsink assembly.